Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is an exciting day. We are heading to Sepang track. There's gonna be a lot of M cars over there. It's my first experience going on track. Go meet some awesome drivers with some awesome cars and bring some awesome content for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. What's going on here? Yeah, so turns out we are not going to the track right now. At least I'm not. We just blew a belt in my car and it's overheating. It's not charging the battery or whatever that's going on. Yeah, so this thing over here decided to die at the worst time possible, right before we are headed to the track. It is what it is. I'm getting a tow truck to come over.
Meanwhile.
Big Marshall just said a guy took his F90 to the gravel.
Yeah.
Really? Obviously things didn't go as planned. My car isn't around here, but we had an amazing time. I got here a bit late, so I didn't get to see everything and vlog everything. I had an amazing time, had a few laps with one of the guys. Looking forward to coming back here again. Maybe with another car, maybe with an M4, who knows? So if you enjoyed today's vlog, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this with anyone you know. There's some amazing content coming up, so make sure to stick around by subscribing and hitting the bell. See you guys next time.